What type of telescope is best for you? Refractor, reflector, Catadioptric. Which one is the best for you? My name is Miguel Azorín, and I welcome you back to Natural Portraits, the YouTube channel dedicated to nature and natural photography in the broadest sense you could imagine. On this channel, I've already talked about market telescopes and features, but in this video, I'm going to give you a summary of the strengths and weaknesses of each of these systems, so that you have no doubt about which one suits you best. Refractor, reflector, or catadioptric. These are the three most well-known optical systems in the world of amateur astronomy. But first, before we get into their features, here's an important tip. Never buy a telescope from a big retailer without getting advice first. Telescopes are expensive instruments, and it's really important to make sure that the model you choose is exactly the one that fits your needs. Get advice and buy from specialized stores. The most important factor of any telescope is its aperture, meaning the width of its main lens. Forget about magnifications, accessories, and anything else. The larger the aperture of a telescope, the greater its resolving power will be, and therefore, the higher magnifications it can achieve. You'll also notice that with a larger aperture, the price skyrockets. Refractor telescopes are the ones you probably picture when you think of a telescope, long and with lenses at both ends. Let's look at their strengths: simplicity and durability. They require little to no maintenance. Optical quality. They're ideal for observing the planets of the solar system, the moon, and also the brightest deep sky objects. They're easy to transport, especially the smaller models, although these will be more geared towards deep sky observation. As for the weaknesses, have chromatic aberration. Affordable telescopes may show color distortion with bluish and reddish halos. This effect lessens with higher budgets, leading to apochromatic telescopes in astrophotography, which have minimal or no chromatic aberration. Larger lenses are costly, so prices rise with size. In summary, refractors are ideal for easy use, portability, and observing planets, the moon, double stars, and bright deep sky objects. Lenses are expensive, so as we increase their size, the price of these telescopes will start to skyrocket. In summary, refractors are great for those looking for something easy to use, portable, and more focused on observing planets, the moon, double stars, and bright deep sky objects. But there are other, more versatile alternatives. Let's take a look at them. Now let's move on to reflector telescopes, famous for using mirrors instead of lenses. They're the favorites of many amateur astronomers. Why? I'll tell you about it now. Excellent value for money. Large apertures at lower prices than in other optical systems. Ideal for deep sky. Nebulae, galaxies, star clusters are their strong suits. But do you want to observe the planets or the moon? With the right accessories, you could too. Accurate colors. These telescopes only work with mirrors, so we don't have chromatic aberration here. And regarding the weaknesses, they require necessary collimation. You need to adjust the mirrors from time to time. It's a simple process, but it has to be done or we'll lose optical quality. Sensitive to dirt. Their design is open and tends to collect dust inside, so we'll have to take them apart and clean them from time to time. Limited portability. The larger models can be difficult or even impossible to transport, and we might need someone's help to set it up or take it down. If you're into deep sky, looking for something versatile and affordable, and don't mind investing some time in maintenance, a reflector could be your best ally. Within reflectors, you'll also find Dobsonian models, which offer very powerful apertures at unbeatable prices compared to other systems. And finally, we arrive at catadioptric telescopes, a combination of lenses and mirrors. Let's look at their strengths: compact and portable design. A lot of power in a compact size, especially for observing or photographing at high magnifications. Ideal for high-resolution visual observation of planets and the moon, but also many deep sky objects. And without a doubt, with the right accessories, it's also a powerful telescope for astrophotography. Optical quality. Very controlled aberrations and sharp high-resolution images. But these telescopes also have weaknesses. Price. They are positioned alongside high-end apochromatic refractor telescopes as the most expensive on the market. Acclimatization time. Since it's a closed design, the larger models will need extra time to equalize the internal temperature of the telescope with the external temperature, thus providing a sharper image. It's not very common, but from time to time they need collimation of their mirrors and some cleaning and maintenance. As you can see, catadioptric telescopes offer powerful performance and versatility in a compact size, although we'll need a higher budget to access them. In summary, refractors for those who seek simplicity and portability. Reflectors for true deep space explorers who don't mind spending a bit of time on maintenance. And catadioptrics for those looking for quality and versatility, with price being a secondary concern. And you, what type of telescope do you think is ideal for you? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more astronomical content. We'll see you again next week with what we love most, photography and nature, here on Natural Portraits. Goodbye.